All right, we're going to jump into a quick review of area of polygons here. So this is stuff that you've probably seen before, but just want to touch base because it's going to come up in our current unit when we look at surface area and lateral area of three-dimensional figures. You'll need to remember the area of these two-dimensional figures. So just real quick, starting with some basic ones. We've got a rectangle here, so the area of a rectangle is going to be length times width, so that's just side times side there. And then moving down below to the triangle, okay, we've got the area of this triangle is going to be 1/2 base times the height. And then to the circle, area is going to be pi r squared. And then I wanted to review a couple of things down at the bottom. First, a regular polygon. That's a term that they're going to use. They call it a regular polygon. And that means that all the side lengths are the same length. So all the side lengths are congruent, and also all the angle measurements are congruent, but we won't really use that here. But for our purposes in this unit, you'll need to know if it's a regular polygon, then that implies that all the side lengths are the same. And then we've got right triangles. Just wanted to refresh your brain on the Pythagorean theorem, right? A squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse, right? That's the longest side opposite the 90-degree angle. So just refresher on that as well. Okay. We'll jump through a couple of these. It says find the area of the regular polygon. So key here is that it states that these are regular polygons. All right, so then that implies that all of the side lengths are the same. So on this first one here, right, we've got this rectangle, and since it's a regular polygon, we can say, okay, well, that means this side here is also 6, so it actually turns out to be a square. And so then to find the area here, I can just do area equals side times side, which is 6 times 6, which gives me 36, and this would be 36 units squared. They don't give us any units here, right, but this would be units squared here. All right, and so that's good for the area of that square. Scrolling down below, we've got letter B here. We've got this triangle, okay? And since this is a regular polygon, we know that all of these side lengths are the same, right? Each one of these side lengths is congruent. And we've got the base there at 4, and we've got the height at 3, and that's all I need to know here. So this is going to be area equals 1/2 base, which is 4, times height, which is 3. And so then that's just going to give me a total of 6. So this would be 6 units squared, 6 square units here. All right, scrolling down to letter C. Letter C gives us a circle, and then it gives us a diameter. Remember that the area for our circle is going to be area equals pi r squared, where r is the radius. Well, they gave us the whole diameter, but we can quickly figure out that the radius would only be half that much. So then that's just going to be area equals pi times 5 squared, which gives me the area equal to 25 pi, and you can leave it in terms of pi, and so we don't need to evaluate that using the decimal, and so that's going to end up being our area there, 25